Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible Instant Pot Superior Cooker 7.5 QT, a versatile 4-in-1 kitchen marvel that combines slow cooking, searing, steaming, and warming all in one sleek design. This powerhouse replaces 9 separate cooking appliances, including your slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and more, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. With its generous 7.5 quart capacity, you can easily prepare meals for the whole family, fitting up to 5 pounds of chicken or 3 racks of ribs, perfect for those hearty gatherings. The innovative sauté function allows you to seal in flavors before slow cooking and reduce sauces for that perfect, thick consistency. Its lightweight aluminum inner pot is over 80% lighter than traditional ceramic, making it a breeze to transfer from cooker to oven, and then to the table. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a dishwasher-safe glass lid and silicone accessories, ensuring an easy cleanup after every meal. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, the Instant Pot Superior Cooker is your go-to solution for delicious, one-pot meals with minimal effort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.